Hi everyone, my name is Jessica. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make cabbage rolls. I recommend boiling your cabbage before you start anything so that it'll have time to cool while you prepare everything else. I've already chopped up 2 cups of onions and 2 cups of mushrooms. I added it to a pan with 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Season with whatever seasonings you like. I used garlic, salt, pepper, and ground red pepper. The recipe is at the end of the video. Cook this around 5 minutes and add in chopped garlic if you'd like. If not, just continue to cook. You want to stir this occasionally the whole time you're cooking to make sure it doesn't stick. Add in your chosen rice. I'm using half a cup of calrose. I soaked it for 30 minutes before this. Keep cooking around 5 to 10 minutes until no liquid remains in the pan. I'm using 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce and I added 1 cup of water. Go ahead and season this with a little salt and pepper if you'd like. For this recipe, I'm using a 2.5 quart baking dish. Add your rice, mushroom, onion mixture to your meat or tofu, whatever you've chosen. You can also use chicken, beef. I'm using pork. Make sure the mixture has cooled before you add it in. This makes it easier to roll. Season again with your chosen seasonings. Mix everything together thoroughly. My cabbage did break up a bit. I didn't realize it until it had started cooking that it was cracked, but it's okay, we can just piece everything together. So take a leaf or a few and add about a 1/4 cup of the filling. You can make them larger. I like to give each roll a little squeeze before I place it in the pan to make sure it stays together. Here I am just rolling it up a few times just so you get the idea. You can use the little leaves to patch the holes in the bigger leaves if you have any. I ended up with 12 rolls, but you may end up with more or less depending on the size of your cabbage. I would have liked to show you how to peel the cabbage, but it just didn't work out for me. Once you're done, you'll want to pour the tomato sauce over the top of your cabbage rolls. Place it into an oven at 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to an hour. Be sure to check closely after 30 minutes to make sure it's not boiling over. You don't need to put foil over this, but I do recommend baking it on a sheet pan just to ensure that nothing spills over during the baking. You can cover with foil if you'd like to be safe. Once done, you'll want to take it out, let it rest for at least 15 minutes before you serve so that everything has time to solidify. I hope you enjoyed this. Here's the full detailed recipe for you all to read. Have a wonderful day. Bye.